Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to see recent average price or RAP on Roblox. So let's get started. First of all, make sure you have the Rogold extension installed on your browser. If you haven't, go to the Chrome Web Store, search for Rogold and click Add to Chrome. Once it's installed, log into Roblox as usual. Now go to your profile and open your inventory. Thanks to Rogold, your limited items will now display enhanced stats, including their RAP directly in your inventory view. Want even more insights? Click on an item to open its page. Rogold adds extra data like price, trends, and trading tips to help you make smarter trades. And that's it. Rogold makes it easy to keep track of RAP and other key stats for all your limited items. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Roblox tips. Thanks for watching.